Okay, today this video is about Reverse Holo and Holo Foils. I'm going to be showing you the differences and what it means. Let's start with the Holo Foil here. We've got a Holo Foil Zapdos. How you know it's a Holo Foil is, as you can see, it shows in the inside on this little picture, just in the picture, you can see it has shininess, but like where the attack is and stuff, you don't see any shininess or anything. So that's how you know it's a Holo Foil.
Yeah, where like the Pokemon is.
Yeah.
It's shiny.
And the Reverse Holo. It's on the outside, not the inside, just the outside on the Zapdos card, as you can see. See that? That's a Reverse Holo. The Reverse Holos tend to be a little more money. So yeah. By the way, these cards both come from the Twilight Masquerade. You can see it down there. Doesn't really matter. If you like this content, tell us. And yeah, hand it off.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. Yeah.
Peace out.